Okay, now that we've talked about array number 1, let's talk about array number 2. I am missing even more squares. This one's going to be a lot harder to try and fill in. So why don't we figure this out without filling our squares in with a ruler? In our array 1, we talked about a multiplication sentence that would help us. Something times something equals the area. Okay, so does anyone remember from our first array what times what? If you said columns times rows or rows times columns, you're right. All I need to do is figure out how many columns I have and how many rows I have. Now I can see that this is going to be a square because of those little lines. So I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 square units across the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square units down the side. So now all I need to do is multiply my columns, 6 square units, by my rows, 5 square units. And 6 times 5, I can count by 5s or by 6s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, which tells me the area of this shape is 30 square units. And I didn't even have to draw out all of those lines. I used my multiplication knowledge to help me solve this problem. I hope you guys can do this on your problem set today, but we'll talk about that in a minute.